Whether you are an independent creator, an entrepreneur, a marketing agency, or an e-commerce store owner, this platform is designed to scale your video production. Can AI create realistic marketing content? In this video deep dive, I'm exploring whether AI can really replace the need for actors, studios, and expensive production equipment.
Have you ever wanted to create realistic UGC videos without hiring actors or spending hours filming content? Today I'm testing UGCVideo.ai, an AI-powered platform that helps you create human-like marketing videos, talking avatars, UGC ads, product videos, and much more. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, explore its features, create real videos step by step, and share my thoughts on the overall experience. If you're a content creator, marketer, business owner, or simply curious about AI video creation, stay with me until the end. Before creating anything, let's take a quick look around the platform. UGCVideo.ai is an AI-powered platform designed to help creators, marketers, businesses, and agencies produce realistic user-generated content videos without traditional filming. Everything is organized in one dashboard, making it easy to create AI characters, talking videos, UGC advertisements, images, and complete marketing campaigns. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, so even if you're new to AI video generation, it's easy to navigate. What I like is that everything you need is available in one place, instead of switching between multiple tools.
When you click Create Your Character, UGCVideo.ai gives you several different ways to build a character depending on your workflow. You can start from an existing image, describe a character using text, build a character step by step, or use the influencer generator for marketing and promotional content. This flexibility makes it easier to choose the approach that best fits your project, whether you're creating a brand ambassador, social media presenter, or product spokesperson. For this tutorial, I'll use Build Your Character so we can go through the process step by step. Now let's build a custom AI character. This feature lets you create a unique digital presenter that can be reused across future videos and campaigns, helping maintain a consistent style and brand identity. Depending on your project, you can customize different elements, such as appearance, style, and other available settings to better match your content. Once everything is ready, the platform generates the character using AI, making it available for use in talking videos, UGC ads, and other creative projects. The process is straightforward, and the interface guides you through each step, making it easy even for beginners. After choosing my character settings, UGCVideo.ai now creates a brand new AI character based on the appearance and style I selected. It usually only takes a few moments. Once I've selected the options that best match the character I want to create, it's time to generate the AI presenter. The generation process is straightforward, and it's nice to see the character come together from just a few selections. Now that my character is ready, it's available for future projects. In the next step, I'll use this AI character to create a realistic UGC marketing video and show you how the complete workflow works. Our custom AI character has now been created successfully. Let's head back to the dashboard and use it in one of UGCVideo.ai's most powerful features, creating an AI-powered UGC advertisement. Now we're inside the UGC Ad Video workspace. This is where UGCVideo.ai brings everything together. Simply upload your product or app image, choose an AI influencer, write a prompt describing the video you want, and the platform generates a realistic UGC-style marketing video in just a few clicks. The first step is adding a product or app image. UGCVideo.ai uses this as a reference so the AI influencer can naturally present, hold, or talk about the product in the generated video. I've already uploaded my product image. The next step is choosing an AI influencer. UGCVideo.ai lets me use my own custom character or select one from the built-in library. After that, I'll write a prompt that tells the AI exactly how I want the video to look and sound. Now that both my product image and AI influencer are ready, the final step is writing a prompt. This prompt tells UGCVideo.ai exactly how I want the presenter to introduce the product, what actions to perform, and the style of the video. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the final result will be. The final step is choosing a voice for the presenter. UGCVideo.ai offers a wide selection of natural AI voices in different languages and styles, so it's easy to find one that matches your content. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate, and the AI creates the complete UGC video automatically. Just a few moments later, my finished video is ready with realistic expressions, natural lip sync, and smooth motion. Perfect for creating professional marketing content in minutes.
Let's watch the final UGC video and see just how realistic it turned out.
Okay, stop scrolling. If you want that glass skin look, listen up. I finally found my holy grail. This Glow Up Vitamin C Serum is literally a game changer. I've struggled with dull skin for years, but this formula is so lightweight and absorbs instantly. After just 2 weeks, my dark spots faded. My skin looks so healthy and radiant. It's packed with natural antioxidants, no harsh chemicals at all. Seriously, guys, go grab yours before it sells out again. Click below.
Now that we've created a UGC ad, let's take a quick tour of some of the other powerful tools available inside UGCVideo.ai. Everything is organized in one place, making it easy to create different types of AI content for social media, marketing, and business.
First, I'll choose a presenter from the built-in influencer library. There are plenty of realistic AI presenters to choose from. I've selected my presenter and added a custom script. Now I'll choose an AI voice and generate the talking video. Everything happens directly inside UGCVideo.ai, so there's no need for cameras, microphones, or complicated editing. Everything is ready. I've selected the presenter, added my script, chosen a voice, and customized the gestures. Now I'll click Generate and let UGCVideo.ai I create the talking video automatically. And just like that, my talking video is ready. UGCVideo.ai I transformed my script into a realistic AI presenter with natural lip sync and expressions, all in just a few minutes.
Let's watch the final UGC video. Let's see just how realistic it turned out.
Start with a warm smile and friendly wave. Maintain natural eye contact with the camera. Use expressive hand gestures while explaining each feature. Nod slightly when emphasizing important points. Occasionally point toward the screen as if highlighting the platform. And finish with a confident smile and a thumbs up. Keep all movements smooth, relaxed, and realistic.
Before you go, if you've been looking for an easier way to create realistic UGC videos, AI presenters, talking videos, and marketing content, definitely check out UGCVideo.ai. I had a lot of fun testing it, and I think you'll be surprised by how quickly you can create professional quality content. Click the link in my description to try it yourself. And don't forget, new users can claim their free credits to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yo guys, you've got to check this out right now. UGCVideo.ai is pure fire. Let's make this go viral.
Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!